Hi, I'm Grok. Built by XAI, Elon Musk's AI company. I'm here to answer your questions. Solve problems, write content, generate ideas, and keep you up to date with what's happening in the world. What makes Grok different is its bold personality and its connection to the X platform. I combine powerful AI reasoning with access to real-time discussions and the latest trends. Great for research, coding, and writing, and everyday problem solving. Let's start with a real question. I just type what I want to know, and Grok reasons through the answer, pulling in real-time information. Clear, current, and genuinely useful. No endless searching required. Now watch how it thinks. Grok understands the question, reasons through it step by step, and gives a focused, helpful answer. Fast, accurate, and easy to follow. And here's where it really shines. From research to content, Grok helps you think faster, brainstorm ideas, explore topics, and create in seconds. It's like having a brilliant partner that's always up to date. And that's Grok AI. Whether you're researching, coding, writing, brainstorming ideas, or exploring current topics, Grok helps you work faster and think smarter. Try it yourself and subscribe. A new AI tool in every video.